Before you build a custom reranker, try Azure's built-in one. Azure AI Search ships a semantic ranker for a fraction of a GPT call's cost. This is for teams running retrieval augmented generation whose top results are wrong. The built-in ranker adds roughly 15 milliseconds per query. A full LM rerank adds 300 to 800. 3 things today: when to build your own, how to wire it, and the cost trap. That cost trap bites harder than you expect. Start with the decision that actually matters. The semantic ranker is a Microsoft-trained model inside the search service. It reorders your top 50 results using deep learning, no code. An LLM reranker calls Azure OpenAI to score each result yourself. You control the prompt, the criteria, and the domain logic. But you pay per token and per round trip. Rule of thumb: reach for custom scoring only when the built-in ranker misses your domain. Here's when a custom LM reranker earns its cost. You need scoring against business rules the built-in model never saw. Think medical relevance, legal precedence, or freshness weighted by user intent. You want an explainable score, not an opaque ranking. Or your documents are long and need reasoning, not keyword overlap. If none of these apply, stop here and use the semantic ranker. Still reading? Then let's build it. The layer sits between search and your answer generation. Your client queries Azure AI Search with hybrid vector plus keyword search. Search returns the top candidates, say the top 20. You pass those to Azure OpenAI with a scoring prompt. The model returns a relevance score per document. You sort by that score and keep the top 5. Those 5 feed your final generation call. Keep the scoring prompt strict and cheap. Ask for a single integer per document, nothing else. Batch all candidates into one call to cut round trips. Set temperature to 0 for stable, repeatable scores. Force JSON output, parse it, and sort descending. Here's the core call. Now the trap I promised. Reranking cost scales with candidates times document length. Score 50 long documents per query and tokens explode. At scale that can dwarf your generation cost entirely. Use a cheap model like GPT-4o Mini for scoring. Truncate each document to the first few hundred tokens. And never re-rank more candidates than you actually need. So how many candidates should you re-rank? Retrieve broad, re-rank narrow. Pull the top 20 to 50 from search for good recall. Re-rank those, then keep the top 3 to 5 for the model. More candidates means better recall but linear cost growth. Measure it. Track answer quality against re-ranked count. Most teams plateau around 20 candidates. Quick recap. Try the built-in semantic ranker before writing any code. Build custom LLM re-ranking only for domain rules or explainability. Batch scoring, cheap model, truncated docs, and cap your candidates. Prices and models change fast, so check the current Azure docs. If this helped, subscribe for more Azure architecture breakdowns. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.